こんにちは、日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese grammar, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the adjectives, conjugation, but we have been learning since the last couple of lessons, so we will put together. So we will recap and test yourself. And then also I will introduce 5 i-Adjectives in Japanese. Let's get started. So we have learned the i-Adjective, na-adjectives, conjugations. So conjugation is how the word will change depending on the past tense or negative. So we will learn again, but put all together because some people might be overwhelmed or so we will learn, we will review step by step. So to start with, we need to learn the vocabulary. So learn means you need to memorize. So I will introduce new i-Adjectives. Start with this. So if you have notebook, please take note. So i-Adjective is all ending with i. So this one letter, hiragana letter, and then kanji and meaning I put it on. So then I will introduce opposite meaning as well. So this is a muzukashi, pronounced as muzukashi. So she is put together. 難しい. Repeat after me. 難しい. 難しい. Then we learned the 難しい difficult. So let's learn the easy one. 優しい. So repeat after me. 優しい. So she is together. 優しい. はい. One more time. 優しい. はい. Next. 甘い. 甘い means sweet. Then this is a kanji. 甘い、甘い。はい。One more time. 甘い。Then spice is 辛い。I put the spicy, but English can be hot, something hot. But this is a spice ね。辛い、辛い。One more time. 辛い。暑い。暑い means hot. 暑い。暑い。Next, number 6. 寒い。So we learned 暑い。So opposite is 寒い。cold. 寒い。ね。Repeat after me. 寒い。寒い。Good. Okay, so we have learned 6 adjectives. Then this time we will learn together for conjugations. So in the last few sessions, previous lesson videos, we have learned present, negative, or a negative past. So let's put all together. If you can understand it or you can speak out. So I will share the whiteboard. If you have notebook, you can also make a list or tables. So the conjugation pattern. Present means like is とかね. So it's hot とかね. So maybe we learned 暑い today. 暑い today. 暑い means hot. So we use it 暑い as an example to use the conjugation. So start with present. If you want to describe it's hot, you simply say, how do you say? It's hot. Simply, you can just say 暑いです. Okay, so that's the present tense. And then if you want to say present tense, next past, past. It was hot. So if you can remember how to change to past tense. Do you know 暑い change to past tense would be dropい and you add かった. So that's the 暑かった. Like this. You can express 暑かった. And then you want to move to next one is maybe let's try present negative. Present negative means like it's not hot. Something is not hot. Like New Zealand is not hot. So that would be present negative, which is not 暑い. How do you change? That would be 暑drop いくないですね。So くない is the isn't. If you want to make it polite, 暑くないです. By adding this, make it polite. So 暑くない. Then you will change one more. That would be you can change to past negative. Past negative would be maybe I'll change it a little bit smaller. ちょっとちっちゃくするね。小さくします。小さくします means make it smaller. Past negative ね was not ね。So that would be how do you say? 暑い changed past negative. That would be 暑くなかった。So that's the conjugation. So we put together so far we have learned present tense. You simply say 暑いです。It's 暑いです。It's hot. Then if you want to describe it was hot, 暑かった。And then if you want to describe negative is not, it's not hot, 暑くない。Then 暑くなかった is was not. For example, if you apply this to as a sentence, let's say, for example, 例えば means hot, example, 温泉 means hot spring. So you can say 温泉は暑い. So that means hot spring is hot spring, natural hot spring. 温泉は暑いです. But if you've been there, then you think it was hot. 温泉は暑かった. So you changed かった. It was hot. Then you also change, you can express 暑くない. So you are in the hot spring, then you feel not hot. You can say 暑くないです. Normally it's hot quite for non-Japanese. Hot spring. Anyway, 暑くない. And then you want to also say it was not, is 暑くなかった. So that's the conjugation for i-Adjectives. We are working on i-Adjectives this time. So I want you to try. I'll give you some time. So I want you to try this type of conjugation. I just deleted. Maybe you can't, we don't know how to. So I want you to try as an example using 寒い. So I'll give you some time. So you take a note. 寒い. How do you change to this one? Okay. 寒い means cold. Let's start. はい。では答えを確認しましょう。So, 寒い will be simply present tense 寒いです。And then was is 寒かった。Then present negative isn't not 寒くない。Like this. Then 寒くなかった。Then 漢字 will be like this. 寒い。So 寒 part is the 漢字。寒かった。Then 寒くない。Like this. 寒くなかった。If you are into kanji, you can use this as a kanji for 寒い. Okay? So let's pronounce together. Repeat after me. 寒い。寒かった。寒くない。寒くなかった。Okay. じゃあ、let's try one more. This time, 難しい。難しい。When you hear just 難しい in Japanese, you can't hear much E part, but actually, when you spell it on the computer, you need to, once you install Japanese font, you can type it in Japanese character. 難しい. So you see, I put that one more E. When you type it, actually spelling is you need a E. Many students, when you do the listening exercise, forgot the E part, but you need a 難しい. So 難しい means difficult. So let's start. I'll give you some time, so please try to write it down if possible to make like a kind of chart or something. Start. はい。では答えを確認しましょう。Let's check the answer. So, present start with present. It's difficult. It's 難しい。で、難しい was is drop it. Then you add 買った。で、negative is 難しくないね。くない。Then, negative was not is you simply change to 買った。was. So you can say 難しくなかった。So that's the conjugation for i-Adjectives. Okay? レッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。どうでしたか means how did it go? How was it? So, that's for today's lesson. Well done with your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to the all lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more details. ではまた。さようなら。